Hey there, welcome to Mimalink. Today I will talk about this beautiful plant, the Musa velutina or the pink or hairy banana. And in this video, I will show you how beautiful this plant is. And we will cover the two methods of propagating this plant and then how to take good care of this plant. And this is the pink banana. The botanical name is Musa velutina. It is commonly known as pink banana, hairy banana, and self-peeling banana. Look at the fruit. They are pink and very bright pink, and the flowers are lovely. It is often grown as ornamental plant, but it is edible, and it has soft and sweet flesh that can be eaten. And the fruit is tasty and sweet, but the fruit is small and has so many seeds. When it's ripe, the banana peel will open up on its own, and the banana peel will look like flowers. When it ripens, it will pop open and it peels itself. And as you see in this dry fruit, there is banana inside and the peel outside. Musa velutina blooms within a year, in about 9 to 12 months to flower, and then another 2 months to ripen. Now let's go to propagation of Musa velutina. You can propagate this plant from seeds and by plant division. The pink banana can be easily propagated from seeds. You can dry the seeds and you can also plant it directly in soil. And as you see, I have 3 ripe ones here. Mass it out directly on the soil. And you see there are plenty of black seeds. Now mix the seeds into the soil. Mix it on the top about 1 inch. Do not bring the seeds deeper. Mix thoroughly until the seeds are separated from the pulp and are covered with little soil. And then water it and let the soil drain. Then put it in partly shaded area to germinate. And I recorded this date of sowing the seeds. It's on June 5, 2025. After 3 weeks, I visited the pink banana seeds that I planted and they look like this. And the seeds grow like needles and there are still many seeds that can be seen on the soil. On the following week, the seedlings look like this. Some leaves have opened up while others have newly grown and there are still seeds that have not grown yet. After 5 weeks, the pink banana seedlings have grown like this. I did not feed them any fertilizer or any whatsoever. I just sprinkle them with clean water every day. This is 40 days already since I planted these pink banana seeds. It's more than 1 month now. And as you see, they have grown bigger. And they became crowded on the pot. And there are still seeds that are growing. And this is what I planted from seeds. It is already 5 months since I planted this. That was on the month of June this year, 2025. And now it's already November. Today is November 6th. So it's 5 months already. And you can see that they are no longer crowded because I have thinned them. I pulled out many seedlings when they become overcrowded on the pot. So now I'm going to repot them in individual pots. And I'm going to show you. Be careful not to damage the roots and try to take some soil along with the roots. And you see these roots of these pink banana seedlings? Press the soil a little and gently so the soil will stay firm on the roots. Do the same with the other seedlings. See these roots? And now they are ready. I'm going to replant them. Musa velutina requires soil draining with soil with high organic matter. This plant is a heavy feeder and benefit greatly from abundant organic material like compost. And the soil needs to retain moisture without becoming soggy. And for me, I am using equal parts of garden soil, rice hulls, and compost. I am using rice hulls to make the soil easy to drain and airy so the roots will easily grow. Then choose a pot that has many drainage holes to easily drain the excess water when watering. Because this plant doesn't like to be in a pot that can hardly drain water and makes it overly wet and soggy. Fill your pot with soil in half and plant the seedlings. Press the base of seedlings a little bit to hold it in place. Press the base of the seedling but do not make it too compact. Water the new plants thoroughly and then place in a partly shaded location and gradually expose them to sunlight. How to propagate Musa velutina from its side pups. Beside the mother plant, you can find some side pups. Dig it out and separate it from the mother plant. When you choose a bigger pup, you will need a spade to dig it up. But if you choose the smaller one, a knife will do. Then dig the plant, trying to include as many roots as possible. You can plant it on the pot, but when you plant this on the ground, it grows bigger and more lush compared to the ones planted on the pot. This is the fastest way to get it to bloom compared from those planted from seeds. Musa velutina, when established, it loves moisture and require deep, consistent watering. Ensure that the soil doesn't become waterlogged, and mulching around the plant will help retain the moisture. Water the plant when the topsoil is dry, but do not overwater. Overwatering will rot the roots. Keep the soil constantly moist but not soggy. When it comes to sunlight, Musa velutina tolerates full sun to partial shade. It grows best in area with bright and direct sunlight. This is a heavy feeder plant. Fertilize it often but little. Once every month with balanced fertilizer or other organic feed. After planting the pup, water it and place in a partly shaded area. And after 3 days, gradually every day, move it to a sunny location.